walking down the road, and the fucking camera's not focusing. So instead of eating a lot, we decided to walk beside the creek. This is Mary Creek. And I'm not Mary. And we decided to be healthy. But I don't know how long it's gonna last. It could be just for today, but no. And you can see this walking track is so good. You can see there's some water parts there. Anyway, I'm running low on battery now. So I'm telling everybody, be healthy, walk, eat, eat. Healthy.
What did you eat earlier?
I just ate, what did I eat? Mango, apple with a lot of cream. So cream won. So it's not fatty. It's not fatty. It is fatty. What the hell? Anyway, gonna go out with our walk. And yeah, that's it. Laura. It's open field now and we're heading home. Apparently when it gets dark, all the creatures there will start to eat you. So they started eating Laura and started eating me, so we had to ditch the river walk. Look at Laura, she's not comfortable now. Anyway, that's all for today. Exercise when you can. I'm hungry now.
Yeah?
Nah, just kidding. Look at the clouds there. Nah, can't see it anymore.
When we get home.
Yeah. Anyway, I reckon this is gonna be a bit bumpy, so see you later. Ciao. Ano to kayong hangin? What are you doing?